Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is going to be a short tutorial for beginners how to create YouTube channel. So very important. Number one, sign in to YouTube on a computer or laptop or cell phone. Number two, click your profile picture, create a channel. You'll be asked to create a channel, whether it is personal or brand. You can create and click on that, and then check the details with your Google account name and photos and confirm to create your channel. It's very important before you even try to make a YouTube channel. If you don't have an email, try to create a Gmail account. Okay, guys? So, create a channel with a business or other name. And I just want to reiterate, sign in to YouTube on a computer, laptop, or cell phone. Go to your channel. Choose to create a new channel or use an existing brand account. Create a channel by clicking create a new channel. Create a YouTube channel for a brand account that you already manage by choosing the brand account or personal from the list. If this brand account already has a channel, you can't create a new one. When you select the brand account from the list, you'll be switched over to that channel. Fill out the details to name your new channel, then click create. This will create a new brand account. To add a channel manager, follow the instruction to change channel owners and manager. Thank you very much, and I hope with this short tutorial will help you to create a YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and of course, like and share and thumbs up. Thank you.